Okay, what a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And we are with Kuya Nanding and Ate
Jet Gabiola.
Jet Gabiola. I noticed may uniform ko ng ABC. ABC for Global Health.
She's the founder of ABC for Global Health. And I'm the founder of Aita Tribe Foundation.
Yeah, that's why earlier ago I asked you, is this like a coordination project? Give me a little bit of story.
It's our support role to support
each other.
ABC
So,
Okay.
Health.
so our purpose is to improve the health of the people. So we support each other so we could collaborate and make things better. So this is just awareness because there's increasing high blood pressure and diabetes dito sa Aita community, whereas before they didn't have those. Kaya we're here to find out, not just to treat but to prevent that from getting worse.
I see some foreign students in the group.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have U.S. Students from high school and college, and we have Hong Kong University Medical School. We have St. Luke's Medical School here, local medical school, UST, meron ding Mapua Institute of Technology Med School.
Wow.
Kaya multinational, international.
And then we have doctors from Stanford University.
Wow.
So we have Dr. Brown and Dr. Million. They're professors from Stanford, silang dalawa. And of course, you know, Dr. Gallio is my chief medical officer. Siya ang nandito to continue the project.
And of course, the group of Kuya Nanding, Aita Tribe Foundation, always supporting the Aita communities.
Yeah, we're here to, as a support role, we wanted to encourage everyone in this village and the community to come and use some of the services here. I mean, it's free, so we wanted to encourage that. We wanted to encourage all the children and all the families to come and.
Okay, I guess the day will be very busy. So thank you so much. Thank you, and God bless. God bless.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, good morning. Hello. Okay, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Ava. I'm a 14-year-old high school student from the U.S. I go to St. Ignatius College Preparatory, and it's my first time being in ABC for Global Health Summer Immersion Program. We've only been here for a few days. We got here on June 11th, but yesterday and on Monday we were helping with the mobile clinic in the church nearby, and we're just very excited to be helping here in the Philippines. We have enjoyed our stay so far. It's really hot compared to the US, but we're liking it a lot, and I'm really growing my passion here for the healthcare field, and I hope to be a doctor in the future.
And your friends?
Hello, my name is Robert and I'm 19 years old and I'm from both America and Canada. I'm studying college in Canada and this year I'll be serving as a research mentor for ABCs for Global Health. I've been in this program for 2 years already and the reasons I wanted to return was because I really loved it. Everybody in this group bonds as a family and the work we do here is very, very personal and very impactful. ABCs is a very good ABCs is a foundation that even gives out free medicines, free consultations, and when people here are undersourced and underprivileged to go to consultations by themselves, we bring the clinic here and we're able to help serve the community in need.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Samantha Cruz. I'm an incoming sophomore, 15-year-old from Santa Clara, California. It's actually my first time outside of the country, going to the Philippines, and also my first time part of the ABC for Global Health program. I believe it's such a great program to be in. We're able to see different perspectives and show empathy towards communities of the indigenous, and really just see how their lives are like and connect with them, practicing soft skills and humanity.
Hi, my name is Zoe, and I'm a 16-year-old. I am going to 11th grade at Cupertino High School in California next year. And I think this kind of social work is just very fulfilling for us. Like, we get to talk to all these people and provide for them when they're in need. And I think that kind of social work is very necessary in this area. And
it really brings these communities together, and the fact that we're able to do this is what I find the most fulfilling. And I'm really glad that I'm able to participate in ABCs this year.
So I guess just with the great service you're giving to the people here, you're also enjoying yourselves,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
The food is amazing.
So we'll do it again next year?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Mabuhay, mabuhay. Presta buko.
At ulit ang candy, mag-umpisa tayo baka tayo ng anak at ilang kay candy.
Fresh buko na, kuya.
Yeah. Yeah, baka dito rin yung volunteers ng ABC Global Health at ilang kay coconut juice uling natin na pangabak Kenny eh.
Sige, sige.
Yeah, so
Nanti mamulot daliri yan.
Gagalaw talaga, gagalaw talaga. you are giving away some.
So what's inside the bag? It's just 1 kilo of rice, 2 sardines, and 2 coffee, 3 in 1. So that's for each family. That gives them 2 days of food.
How many packs are you
Oh,
giving?
there are 300 families.
Wow, well,
you know,
that's
when I started in 2015, there were only less than 50. And now, 2025, 10 years later, it's over 300.
Yeah. That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Good job,
it's
Kuya. Good
And
job.
They now have water and they now have toilets. So, yeah, it's good.
All right.
Make sure that based on the number of paper they have, you give them one.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, world. Press buko. Buko petit. All right.